Tonight at 6, D.C. Mayor Muriel Bowser declaring two public emergencies, the opioid crisis and youth violence.
Our Fox 5 Stephanie Ramirez is live outside the Wilson building with details on these orders. Steph.
Guys, the mayor's order on youth violence is directed toward DYRS. This is the Department of Youth Rehabilitation Services, the agency that is tasked with caring for juveniles going through D.C.'s court system. So this mayor's order would make it easier for DYRS to procure more beds to hold juveniles. This order recognizing the increase in both youths committing violent crime in the district and also becoming victims to it. The order also notes the importance of caring for juveniles in DYRS custody as important to addressing public safety. It was about 3 weeks ago when it was reported that a teen involved in a fatal carjacking and Brentwood Road Northeast DC crash had previously been arrested and released from custody, ultimately having to do with not enough shelter bed space. Councilmember Trayon White also previously raised concern of overcrowding at the youth detention center. That's DYRS's juvenile detention center. Today, the mayor also revealed that she's still assessing whether to close a funded DYRS oversight office that is slated to sunset or close on January 6th of 2024 due to a previous agreement. The mayor says she wants to review how that office functions.
If we're talking about kids getting more services, and we have a lot of services, but we're always assessing how our services can better interact with families and interact with young people to engage them and make sure they're taking advantage of the services. So part of our consideration is what is the next needed investment to do exactly that.
Now, responding to the mayor's greater order on youth violence, Georgetown University's Juvenile Justice Initiative Policy Director wrote in part of a statement, while increasing capacity at detention facilities might seem like a direct solution, it is fundamentally just another reactive measure that will do nothing to prevent harm or provide kids with services they need to thrive. Guys, also earlier today, a D.C. judge discussed holding D.C. government in contempt of court. The judge noting that not enough bed space at girls' shelters was something that the judge specifically raised about a year ago. The deputy mayor for public safety and justice today spoke to reporters saying that that issue about girls' beds did not become a greater issue until October. Guys.